Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have JBL headphones and you're having like connection issues or the sound, there's something wrong with the sound or they keep cutting off or there's a poor signal. A lot of times just doing a hard reset on them will fix these problems. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing to do before you do that is just to turn the Bluetooth off on whatever you have connecting to it so that it doesn't try to connect. And then you're going to turn on your headphones. And once you turn on your headphones, then you're going to, as pictured here, you're going to press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons for several seconds. And then when you do that, you just press them, and you'll see that once you do that, this blue light will turn on, and that means that it is going through the reset process. And once it's done the reset process, you can turn them back on, turn the Bluetooth back on your phone, and then go through the pairing cycle, and then you have done your reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.